Hello fellow preppers, 'tis I, the Rumpled One. Okay, some assembly required. I'm going to put together the second grill stand here. I've already got the pieces cut out. I mean, they're just straight cuts, nothing fancy. So there's really no need to film that because I had cut them out the other day anyway. It's just a bunch of setting up the saw. But you will get to see me cut the circle, but that's no big deal. So what we have to do first is assemble the middle piece, and then we assemble the outside. The reason we have the middle piece is so when we cut the circle, there's a place for the boards to be caught on. So that's what we're going to do first. I'm putting my ear protection on because when I nail in the carport, it makes a lot of noise. I guess I could save my knees. And it would help if I had the right nails. Okay, so I've got these boards. I already have the measurement on them, and that's how they fit. So what I can do is go ahead and put start a couple of nails, and I can just carry this line over like so. So I know where to nail. And actually I should probably put a board down so the nails don't hit the carport. And once again, this is just pallet wood, nothing fancy. Okay, so we can stand these up. I hope that's in the shot. Let me just double check here, make sure you guys are seeing what I'm doing. Yeah. I can flip this over. And now we'll get the other side. Make sure everything's nice and square. Okay. So that goes like that. So what we're going to do next, we're going to build the ends where the legs go. So we need these. push these out of the way. And I try to leave the markings so we can see them, just to give it some of that, I don't know, country flavor. Okay, so this is the outside. So what we're going to want to do is go like that, okay? Because that's going to be the outside. So turn these over. And I just prefer to do it this way. You could do it the other way. Some people like to have the legs on the outside. Some people like to have them on the inside. I just think it looks better this way. Had a big knot right there. That would definitely be a nail bender. Okay. Now we can flip it over. We can put a couple more nails in it. At least one. Just tighten it up. Because we don't want it spinning. Okay, now these bottom pieces here are the feet. And so what I do is I just move them 2x4 off the bottom. You could measure, or you could just do it this way. Either way works. Just make sure that's right there, nice and square. Side. Okay, so you see, that's one leg. Now we need to do the other. That's the outside view. Nail holes on the outside, the better, right? So we repeat the process. Let me just double check here. Maybe I need to move it over. Now I guess you can still see. They go together nice and easy, but the work, for the most part, comes in the cuts. Because there's definitely a lot of cutting when you're cutting all those straight boards. So you see, now I just need another 2x4. Make sure they're the same size there. Okay. Even things up here. Do it this way, probably better. Okay, that looks good. Let's do this side first. Okay. Okay, now we got the other leg. So, now what we have to do is put this thing together. So that's the outside. That's the outside. I got some pallets here. It says made in Canada. I think that's just going to kind of adds a little humor to it. Or a little flavor, whatever you want to call it. Okay, let me check see which side should be the front. I guess it doesn't really matter. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put the put this part on. And now we'll put the other, I think I can get it in the camera. I think that I'd be able to see that a little bit better. like I said, this is not rocket science here. Basically framing skills. Okay. Maybe I should put this one on upside down. Good day, hey, bunch of hosers, right, from Canada. I don't know, we got any Bob and Doug McKenzie fans out there? The Great White North? I used to love that part of Second City TV. And the last piece. This is the one where you usually have to give it a tap or two to get it to go right where you want it. Now I've got the compressor out here. It'd be nice if I had one of those 2x4 nailers, huh? Okay. What we do with this, we just move it all the way up against one of the legs like so. It's not a big deal. Just like that. And see, all we're doing is using this to catch the boards when I put the top on. Now, if you use the plywood top, you wouldn't have to do that, but I didn't have any plywood from Pallet, so that's why I'm doing it this way. So I guess you can almost get away having a free table if you reclaim the nails, but that's always hit or miss. So I use new nails. Okay. See, this is the front side. So now what I have to do, I had to cut the pieces to go across the bottom and cut some top pieces. So I'll go cut those because I hadn't picked them out yet, and then I'll make part 2 of the video.